Professor Matthew Bailes says it's simple to sum up what he does.
Look, I just have fun exploring the universe. Explore what I think is the most exciting science we can do, because I've always had a fascination for how the universe works.
A fascination inspired by another scientist who loved the universe.
How many advanced civilizations capable at least of radio astronomy are there in the Milky Way galaxy?
When I was about 19 years of age, I think it was, the TV show Cosmos by Carl Sagan was on TV, and I found it absolutely riveting and quite a life-transforming TV show for me. It showed there was a mathematical foundation to the universe.
And that mathematical foundation is something he's dedicated his life to understanding. Professor Bailes founded the Swinburne University Centre for Astrophysics and Supercomputing, where, just like Carl Sagan did with him, he's able to inspire the next generation of scientists.
We actually made Australia's first 3D IMAX film about space, but we also create educational 3D virtual reality content that we use for school tours here at Swinburne in the virtual reality theatre, but also in headsets as part of something called Mission Gravity.
But the supercomputer here at Swinburne is also capable of some serious research. Professor Bailes has been at the forefront of discovering high-energy cosmic explosions known as fast radio bursts.
I was very lucky to be present when the first one was discovered. One of the reasons we were so confident that the first fast radio burst was real is that we had the tools to visualise the data.
Since then, many have been spotted, particularly by the Parkes Radio Telescope in New South Wales. But while we know they're real, scientists still aren't certain what they are.
We've certainly got theories. It's almost certainly some sort of highly magnetised and energetic neutron star from sort of halfway across the universe, but we don't know.
But exploring the unknown is the point of science. It's also why he took on the role as director of the ARC Centre of Excellence for Gravitational Wave Discovery, which is dedicated to understanding the extreme physics of black holes and warped space-time. His impact in the field of astrophysics has seen Professor Bailes elected a Fellow of the Australian Academy of Science.